D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
What's up everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is all about the high bun, baby. So if you want to learn how to achieve this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need Marley hair, edge control, eco styler gel, water, brush, and some bobby pins. Okay, start off by spritzing some water around the perimeter of your hair. This is to ensure that the gel will have a better hold. Okay, eco style time. So you're gonna put some eco styler gel around the perimeter of your hair. So this depends on how much product you want in your hair. Obviously, if your hair is shorter, then the more product you'll need to use. You're now gonna brush up that gel, let it sink into your hair. My hair is still relatively short, so using this string ensures that I'll hold as much hair as possible. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is still pretty short, so I went in and put on some more eco styler gel. You are more than welcome to do that as well, or if you have longer hair, then you can skip this process. Okay, so you hear a lot of influencers who are like, oh no, I'm gonna put on my satin bonnet scarf. Yo, I don't have a satin bonnet scarf, so I'm gonna put my doek on. Okay, so if you have a doek, put your doek on, girl. It's also gonna work. Taking my doek off, and as you can see, my hair is about 80% dry. So here, I literally put all the Marley hair in the ribbon. Nothing complicated around that. I find that separating the Marley hair into two sections makes it easier when tying. I used about 2 bobby pins to secure the bun, but obviously depending on your hair length, you can use more or less bobby pins. My favorite part. Okay, now you know your girl got to lay her edges, okay? Cannot skip this process. I just cannot. No. No, no, no. N-O. No. And there you have it, ladies. Quick, simple, inexpensive, high bun. We have reached the end. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.